I literally want to cry because this small little cream, which is not even expensive, makes your skin feel so good. So do not watch this video if you do not want to have glowing skin. This is an antiseptic cream which heals your skin fatafat. So if you have dry patches, itchy skin, you just need to apply a little bit of this and this heals your skin. Recently, my husband introduced this to me. I had no expectations with this, but this is seriously miraculous. Very good if you have sunburns, wounds, it heals your skin magically. Well moisturized. No skin rashes, no bumps, no pimples. It heals the skin beautifully.
So many people have said that Boroline breaks out your skin and you get pimples. So here is a positive feedback on an oily skin.
And I've been using Boroline for many years now, for over 20 years. I mean, since my childhood, we've had Boroline. So as I was growing up, I used to have pimples, teenage pimples and all. So best we could use is Boroline on those pimples.
Okay, it doesn't cause pimples.
No, it doesn't cause. It never causes.
Okay.
It will always dry it down. Even when we were younger, like we used to get the green Boroline. So we used to melt it, make it thinner.
Yeah, the green one I use.
But the white one that you get now is very light, and you can put it on your.
So you have used the green one also. You're talking 20 years back was green one.
Even cracked heels. It's very good for your cracked heels. It's very good for rashes. Cuts,
rashes
burns,
are big
insect bites. It's marvelous.
Yeah.
All those spiders and all that. It's marvelous. Best is for us when we have these pimple and acne issues. Just apply this white Boroline. If you're using the
white one,
okay. Because that's very light and very thin consistency. But the green one, if you're using the green one, melt it.
Okay.
For
oily skin.
Oily combination. It suits every skin type. And
so the green one is even suitable for acne.
Yeah, but you have to make it thin.
Okay.
Okay. That's what it suited me perfectly because I had
acne prone skin.
Throughout my entire genetic. So it's beautiful.
Okay.
And the white one is exceptionally good as a night cream. Anti-aging cream, night cream is best. I mean, you will feel when you get up in the morning, you feel such a fresh, moisturized face.
Which one? The green one?
Night one.
The
white one.
White one, okay.
Yeah, even the green one you can use.
Yeah, I use
whenever
that.
you're using the green one, melt it.
Okay.
Take it in a spoon.
No, for my dry skin, it is fine.
It's excellent. For oily skin, because mine was oily skin. So, I used to just, kind of melt it on keep it on a hot plate or something. Don't put it on fire. Hot plate में रखे वो थोड़ा melt हो जाता है and then you can just apply. It's best for any skin problem.
I have experienced it. That's why I made the video.
And buy that white one.
I'll check.
I have that white one with me. You can just see that.
I'll tell Praveen. He only introduced me this now only. 1 week. Before making the video.
You just you see it affects in a single day. Just apply it in the night and see.
Yeah, I apply in the night, the green one.
And even the acne, कोई भी acne होता है ना, or any rash.
Rash is super. It's miraculous.
It's too good.
Okay, Chichi, thank you.
And another thing is, another way you can apply. Suppose you have a very acne-prone skin, and your also body is very heating type. Apply some cold compress first, some ice or some cold compress, and then put that Boroline.
Okay.
If suppose your body is of the heating type,
very hot.
Pitta, we say pitta bodies. So pitta bodies, put wherever you want to apply on your acne face. Put some cold compress
first.
And then cool it down and then put Boroline. Nothing like it. I've never experienced a cream which has so much of multiple benefits.
Anyway.
One cream for everything.
Imagine I came to know now.
I don't know, maybe he didn't feel the necessity now.
No, Praveen, Mummy knew it. So I asked Mummy, why didn't you ever share about Boroline?
Yeah, actually, what happens is you have so...
She's telling you use all high funda cream, so why will I suggest you Boroline?
Boroline is so low profile.
No, that's what
they've never advertised. You'll never find it anywhere, but it's got the best thing. No cream can match.
Now I was just thinking, wow.
My cuticles, they are very dry here. Okay. And the skins feel up. Just apply Boroline and keep. Nothing else. That's one cream solution if you want to go for travel or anything.
I have backups with me.
Travel.
Full my bag is stuffed with it.
I'll show you that white one when we go down. Oh, that's the bag.
It's okay, I'll tell Praveen. He introduced me and I told Mommy, why didn't you tell this? She's like, What I'll tell you, use Hyphanda creams. Iska kya kare? I said it's superb.
It's good for your makeup thing. Like, if you want to apply like gel, eyebrow gel, सब लोग कहते हैं ना, the one that is a white one. You first apply that and see. It's got the benefits of Vaseline, at the same time benefits of a moisturizing
and antiseptic also.
Antiseptic, everything. Burns ke liye, awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Actually, it's from experience.
That's what. People are now also on comment is calm, it breaks me out, it's not good for oily skin. That's what I told you, and you said it's awesome for oily skin too.
No, I had an oily skin. You know, the kind of acne marks I had, even now it is very faded away, but so it also is very good for removing scars. It will not do immediately, but it will remove all your scars. I mean, I don't know whether there are some very faded, but the kind of acne that I had, it used to like full. My whole face was covered.
My God. Okay.
And then after I was done with the dermatologist creams and all that, because they were very expensive, I couldn't continue. I just applied Boroline. I mean, after seeing the kind of acne that I had, and now the face, I mean, nobody will believe that I used to have so much of it. It used to like pus, the pus used to come.
Teenage wala.
It was just Boroline that healed me. I had to use a dermatologist cream and all. I used it for a period of 3 months, 4 months and all. But it was too expensive to continue. Boroline was too good. But yes, you don't apply cream on an unclean face. You have to clean it. Cleaning should be done. It's the first thing for acne. Keep your face clean. Don't always touch your face with your fingers. Never. That is one thing that I learned from my own acne experiences. Then apply. Boroline will never lead to breakouts. Okay. Unless you are allergic to some kind of thing or something. That may be the
First of all, gut has to be clean.
Okay, but Boroline can never be the cause of that.
Yeah. So people who have commented saying that it's not good for oily skin, it breaks your ear, is a live feedback. Thank you so much, Chichi.